Good morning, student. Today we will see the new lesson, that is statistics. Okay, so this is new for you. Uh, some parts already I think you have studied in the seventh standard. So just a revision part. This is the average. Last year you have studied this one. So now we know this is a one example. We'll see now the number of pages of a book Linal read for 5 consecutive days were 60, 50, 54, 46, 50. Means Nilad read these pages in 5 days. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. So here you have to find average of number of pages he read every day. Okay. So first we'll see this statistics. Statistics means what? It is one of the very important branch of mathematics. Okay. Now, it will separate branch. Branch means there's like this mathematics, then in 9th, 10th, algebra, geometry, the two separate subjects like that. One separate branch means after the graduation or the post graduation you can take MSc Maths or MSc Statistics like this, one of the very important branch. So now we'll see this example. We know average means what? We have to take the sum of all the score and total number of score. This is the formula. Already you have studied. So sum of the all score. First they have written here 60. Then here another is 50. Then 54. Then 46. And then 50. So how many times they are taken record? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you have to take the sum. Here 0 plus 6, 6. Plus 4, 10. This 0 means 10. This 0 means 10. Okay, carry on one here. 6, 10, 15, then 20, then 26. Means addition of these two, 5 score is 260 divided by 5. Okay, so divide here. 5 5s are 25. 1 remain 10. 5 2s are 10. Means this one 52. So average number of pages read daily means that Leonard read every day average. This is the average 52, near about 52 pages like this. So why we have to see? Because this is related to in statistics for the mean. So we say that is mean. This example you have to write in notebook and this definition also you have to write in your notebook. So what is arithmetic mean? We will see now. See here. We have seen the average. Okay. Already we solved that example. The average is called arithmetic mean. This is the definition. The average is called arithmetic mean or simply mean. You can say this is arithmetic mean or mean. Okay, this is the definition. Write in your classwork notebook in statistical language. Now, how to find this mean? Okay, we'll see one solve example and one example I will solve. Okay, one or two and one more you have to solve. So see carefully what is the solve example. We'll see that. We will discuss about that example. So many examples all in a book. Already I have sent the PDF of that. See this one. This is the example. So here they have given here scores. Here in the example, first we will see the example. See the example what is here. The marks obtained 37 students in 8th standard in a test of 10 marks are given below. Okay, these are the marks of how many students? 37. Of which standard? Standard 8. Out of which how many marks? 10. Okay, these are the marks. Suppose roll number 1, 2, 3 like that. Up to 37 they got out of 10. These marks. Okay, so how to prepare this table? So that is very important. So first one, you have to prepare this one. See, marks that is shown by xi letter. Okay, means that is score. Score shown by xi letter. Then come tally mark. Tally mark means how many times that score come. Number of student means how many tally marks. So here you have to write that is frequency. It is denoted by letter fi. And then here you have to take the product of this xi fi. Okay. what is the product of these two number here. Hmm? So we'll see now. Here two score come in that all. Okay, one means one student got 2 marks. Here one student got 3 marks, like that. Here five student, this one four vertical lines, one cross line, this is five student, they got 4 marks. Like this we have to count and we have to use this tally mark first, then counting this tally mark write the frequency, and in third column take the product of this first and third column number. So this is FIXI. So here you have to take the sum. This symbol indicates summation, or you can say sum. What? In short, you can say sum. Okay, summation of FIXI means what the product come, you have to take the sum. And here the frequency, it is denoted by the letter n. Total of this frequency is n. Then how to find this mean? Like average. Here you have to take the this total here and divide by n. N means total frequency. So division of these two come 7. So mean is what? 7. Okay. So means minimum average mark of that class student is what? 7. Okay. So like this one example we have to see in a table. We have to fill that blanks. See here. Practice set 11.1. Everything what we explain, you have to write in your notebook. Everything. Okay. This example also you have to write in your notebook. So see practice set 11.1. The following table shows the number of sapling planted by 30 students. Then 30 students they are planted saplings. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. Now average number means what? Here you have to find mean. Okay. So here already they have prepared the table. So we have to fill that blanks in the boxes. Number of sapling they shown by letter X. Number of student directly they given 4 student. They are sapling 1, 6, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4. So first one in second column you have to take the sum. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 6 26 plus 4 30. Means this value come 30. Okay. Now here in third column what you have to take? Fi xi. Here no tally mark. Why? Because they already given this value. If they give a number, then you have to use tally mark. We'll see next example how to write that tally mark. Okay. Now we know the formula is what? This first one you have to take the product FI product of this 1 into 4 4, then 2 into 6 12, 3 into 4 12, 12 3s are 36, 8 4s are 32. Then what? Summation means we know we have to take the sum. 2 plus 6 8, 8 2 10 14. 1 is here. 3 plus 1 4, 7 8. This sum come 84. This summation here you have to write the formula what? Summation Fi xi. We know the formula already. You have studied in first example. Mean, how to find mean? This one x and vertical line. It indicates mean of x. Mean of x is equal to summation Fi xi upon n. So what is the value of summation of this Fi xi? 84. And n is what? 30. Okay. So you have to divide it into simplest form. Suppose you will divide this one by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now here by 15. 15 1s are 15 2s are 30. 12 remain. Now 120. So 15 how many is 120? 15 8s are. Is that true? 15 8s are 120. So division come 28. So the average number of tree planted 28. Like this you have to solve all example based on this. So one very important thing is what? In that practice set they have given this one, second example, then third, fourth. But this fourth is not for you. Okay. This is not for. No need to solve this. This is omitted from your syllabus. So already we have solved that first example. Like that second one you have to solve. Here you have to take the product of this fi xi, and using this table, all this, here you have to find the answer. Like this, suppose for example, how many families use 45 unit electricity? This is unit electricity used by letter xi, number of families. So 45 unit, how many families? Here 45 unit. How many families use? Two families. Means here your answer is two families. Like this, state the score of frequency of which is phi. Frequency here. Where the frequency phi? Here you have to tell the frequency, state the score. Score means this. What is then this frequency phi score is 75. So this answer is 75. Here you have to find n, addition of this. Summation of fi xi. Take the product and what the addition come? Right here. Then find the mean. Mean means what? Here you have to find this one by putting the value. Okay, find the value of this. This is for you. You have to solve this example. So we'll see third question. Okay, see the third question. For third question, first we'll see the score. See here. Like this you have to prepare. Okay, here number of members in a family. Then we have to see tally marks. Then frequency. Then fi xi. And then we have to find what we have to find? Mean of members. Means each one family, how many members are there. So we'll see one by one. See how to see the score and how to use the tally mark. See carefully. This one example. One example we'll see. So see there, how many members start from minimum 1 to maximum number is what here? 6. Okay. So in first column, here first one you have to write this one. Family members, minimum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So this one, first you have to find the members. So now, how many families having one number, two number, three numbers? Okay, we'll see this first. Now see carefully how to tally mark here. Here first one, score is what? See, 1. You have to go start from first to last one. 1. Where is 1? So give the tally mark. Then what? 6. Second is 6. See, where is 6? There is one tally mark. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, so then 5 on column 5 I will tick mark. Then 4, then 3, 3, like this you have to do. 3 means here. Then what? 2, here this score is 2, so where the 2? One tally mark. Then 7. 7 is also there. Maximum number is 7, means up to the 7 we have to prepare. Okay. So write 7 and in front of 7 you have to one tick mark. Okay. Then 2. Again 2 come. So near to this. 4 vertical and then if 5 then cross line. Okay. What we taken? 2 is taken after 7. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. See here, I am doing the tally mark is here. You are not able to see, but when I will read that tally mark is there. 6. Then 4. Okay. Then again 6. Then 2. 2 is here. Okay. Then 3. 3 is here. Then again 2. Then 1. Then 4. Then 5. 6, 7, 3, 4. See now 4 already, 4 is over. So one more come, fifth one. So you have to draw the cross line. Then fifth. Then 2. Here 2 also, 4 line over. Though another one is like this. Then 4. You have to make the group of 5, 5. Then 3. 3 is also 4. So make a cross line. Then 2, here you have to make a separate group. Already this one 5. Then 3. Then 5. then again 5, then 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 2. Okay, over. See, so one by one, you have to start from first number to last number and then in which column that number come, you have to do the tally mark, making the group. Suppose 4 is over and fifth one come, cross line. Then separate group you have to prepare. So we found, tally marks. So write the frequency. Frequency means this one. How many tally marks? 2. Here 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Here 5 plus 2, 7. Here 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. Here 5 plus 1, 6. And here 2. So now here we want n, value of n, and summation of fi xi. Okay, so we'll choose the sum. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 23, 30, 38, and 40. 40. And here, how many families given? See, our answer is correct or not. How many families given? 40. Means our total is come 40. Means that is correct. Okay. What frequency we found here, that is correct. Okay. So 40 frequency come. Now what we have to take? Fi, xi, product of this and this. So 1 2 is 2. 2 8 is 16. Okay. 3 7 is 21. 4 8 is 32. 5 7 is 35. Then 6 6 is 36. 7 2 is 40. So we found fi xi and we have to take the sum of this one, that is summation of fi xi. So 4 plus 6 10, 15, 17, 18, 18 plus 6 24, 26. 2 is here. 2 plus 1 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 15. 156. Okay, L is 40, summation is 156. So we know now here we have to find mean of x. We know the formula, summation of fi xi upon n. Okay, so put the value, summation fi xi what come? 156. Okay, divided by this is 40. Convert it into simplest. 4 1 is 4, 0. 4 4 is okay, 4 3 is 12. Okay, 2 2. Suppose we will divide this one by 2. 2 2 is 4 here. 2 7 is 14. Okay, by small number we will take it. 2 7 is 14. 1 remains 16. 2 8 is 16. Again by 2. 2 1 is 2. Here 2 3 is 6. 1 remains 18. 9 is what come? 39 upon 10. If you divide this one by 39 upon 10 means 3.9. Okay, so then how many mean of that members? Mean members of that families. What do you have to find? See here, prepare the frequency table and find the mean of members of 40 families. So mean of members is what? 3.9. Means this is the average. Means in one family, how many numbers of family members are there? Can we say 3.9? Means near about 4. Okay. Means in one family, 4 members are there. But in our answer come 3.9. So keep this one as it is. Okay. These two examples we have solved from this practice set 11.1. So which example remain? This one. So this example you have to solve. This is assignment. Okay. And this is omitted from the syllabus. So no need to solve. Okay. So see this one. The next two exercise we will see. I think our one more period is what? Saturday. Saturday I will explain both the exercise. 3 exercises are there. Practice sets are there. So 11.2 and 3 we will see afterward. Thank you.